All right, let's go ahead and take a look here at this example. It says Jamie spends the same amount of money each morning. On Sunday, he bought a newspaper for $1.25 and also bought 2 donuts. On Monday, he bought a newspaper for 50 cents and bought 5 donuts. On Tuesday, he spent the same amount of money and bought just donuts. How many donuts did he buy on Tuesday? All right, so what we can solve right away here is the cost of 1 donut using the Sunday and Monday information. What it says here initially is that he bought a newspaper for $1.25 and 2 donuts. So the Sunday amount is $1.25 plus 2 donuts, which they've represented as $1.25 plus 2D. They want to know when is that going to be the same as either of the days, but they went with Monday next, that he spent 50 cents on the newspaper and 5 donuts. So 50 cents plus 5D, which is what you see on the right side of the equal sign. So we're going to solve that equation, and that's going to give me the cost of 1 donut. Now again, the issue I have with what's pre-printed here is that they've sent the variables to the right and the numbers to the left, which I don't tend to prefer. So we can fix that, though. It's not a big deal. All right, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 5D from both sides here. When I do that, 2D minus 5D is going to change into negative 3D and then at the same time, I'm going to send numbers to the right by subtracting 125 from each side. When we do that, we end up with negative 75 cents, or negative 0.75. So I want to know when negative 3D would be the same as negative 0.75. And even though we've got a different multiplication and division happening there, it's the same net effect because the negatives end up canceling out, and we end up finding out that the cost of a donut is 25 cents. Now, that helps us because now we know what the cost of a donut is. Now we're going to go on and take a look at Tuesday. He spends the exact same amount of money on Tuesday, but he only bought donuts. Now we figured out that at 25 cents, he's spending $1.75 each day. We can do that a couple different ways from Sunday and Monday, but it doesn't matter which way we do it. He's only spending $1.75 each day. Remember, the question says he spends that same amount each day. That's how I know that. So at 25 cents a donut on Tuesday, if he is just buying donuts and is spending $1.75, all right, then what we can deduce here is that he had to have bought, how many times can I make 25 cents going to 175? Obviously, the solution there is 7. So he ends up buying then, as a result, 7 donuts on Tuesday. And that's great because now that I know that, that's the answer to the question, because the question is clearly asking me how many donuts did he buy on Tuesday? Well, he bought 7 donuts if he's spending $1.75 each day, which based on our mathematical calculations is exactly the amount he's spending every single day.